Well, hello, and welcome to Omar's Garage. Thank you for watching my channel. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. But today we are going to be just showing you how you use the launch control feature in a Porsche 911. All right, so I'm going to go over just the steps in order to use the launch control in a my Porsche 911. The first thing is you want to make sure your temperature is up. To temperature. Right now it's about 200. So I've been driving it for a little while. Next step is going to be to turn it on to either Sport or Sport Plus. But normally if you want to do some racing, you use the Sport Plus. Also, you're going to turn off the traction control because that'll prevent the car from bogging down when you launch. So we're gonna go on this back road here. I'm not gonna go past the speed limit. I'm just gonna do the launch. All right, so for the launch, you have to do it quickly. So hold the brake. Launch. Couldn't really hold on to the to the phone, but that's how launch control works. You have to do it quickly. You press down the brake and immediately slam on the gas, and as soon as you let go of the brake, the car launches. So we'll do it again. So you want to stop the car, brake, gas. All right, so there you have it. It's pretty simple. There's a couple steps in order to, put the car into launch mode. But, once you do it, it's pretty jarring. It's an incredible thing. I have this on my Tesla also, but it's a lot of fun on the Porsche 911. So that's going to be it for today's video. It's just something really quick. If you're trying to figure out, how to use the launch control, or if you're just curious to see how the launch control works on a Porsche 911, then that's what this video is for. So I just want to thank you for watching. We're getting close to 2,000 subscribers. So I want to thank everybody that's subscribed. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you think. And you all take care. Stay safe.